Hello everybody, my name is Aqualeo, and for this week's video, I'm not going to be doing a gameplay like this time, or that time, or that time, or that time. I'm going to do a tutorial on how to create your own channel logo. By the way, if you want me to do a tutorial on how to do this, just let me know. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So you're gonna need to go to the website called Pixlr. No need to download anything. I'll leave it in the description. Oh, sorry. So sorry. I'll leave it in the description, and it'll take you to this page. So create a new image, title it. I'm just gonna put it the new logo. Yeah, there. And 800 width and 800 height. Make sure it's transparent and click OK. Then you want to come here and maximize to give you more space to work with. And click over. And then, so I personally like to have a letter on my logo. So click on the type tool, click A, and make sure it's 130, or whichever letter you want. Make sure it's 130, and the color, put it white. And the font, now I don't really like these types of fonts. I mean, they're practically almost the same thing. It's just that they have a different name, that's all. So what I do is I go to DaFont, and it has thousands with thousands of fonts you can pick. It has fancy, cartoon, comic, square, medieval, freaking TV, movie. It has a whole bunch of stuff. So pick whatever you want. I personally like Call of Ops. Oh crap, I put it right. I'm moving wrong. Call of Ops Duty. I really like this font. Just go set to load up. Click on search, and it should take you to this one. I really like this one, and just click download, and it should download. Follow with all the steps, and then once you got that, go back and go to the C. Should be the first one. Here it is. Call of Ops Duty. And then to make this your letter bigger, make sure that you go to the letter, right click, rasterize layer, edit, and free transform. Now you want to make sure that you press shift and then make it bigger, otherwise your letter will get out of proportion. And so just click shift and make it bigger, put it in the middle, by the way. I like to tilt mine just because, and make it a bit bigger, around there. Click outside the box and click yes. Now I personally like to put a texture on my logo, so what I do is I go to Google and I put cool textures right here, images, and you have a whole bunch of cool textures. You got blue fire, I guess, purple fire, whatever you want, freaking gradients, I don't know, get whatever you want. Or you can go to go to red, go to red grunge background, or red grunge textures, whatever you want. Or you can put red gradient. A gradient will show you this. I personally like these for thumbnails, so I don't use them for my logos. But if you do want to, then go ahead. If you don't like any of these, you can just put a random shape like polygons. Make sure you put cool. And I'll show you a whole bunch of polygons. Just pick the one that matches your color scheme. Whatever you want. I personally like this one. Looks pretty cool in my opinion. So go and click save image as. I already have it saved, so I don't need to do that. and go back, go to layer, open image as layer, and go to whatever you saved it as. Make sure that you're on that layer of the texture, Click on edit for your transform and press shift again. Remember when making things bigger to press shift on Pixlr, otherwise it'll get out of proportion. Click outside and press yes. Now, trick that I like to do is I like to go to the A layer and drag it on top of the layer 2. I put my finger on the A layer on the letter, put it back, and then make sure that you're on the layer of the letter, by the way, otherwise it won't work. Wand tool, and click on where you think the letter is. Once you got that done, go right click and invert selection, and then go to layer 2, go here and press delete or backspace. Once you got that done, make sure that you're on the move tool, and we're gonna put the background now. So go to whatever you want. You can put cool backgrounds, or what I like to do is I put space background. I'll show you a bunch of these. These are really cool. You got this one, planets. I really like this one too. This one with the red sun, I guess. Red giant or whatever. You got this for galaxies and stuff. So put whatever you want, and for example, come here and right click, save image as. Go back to Pixlr and click on layer, open image as layer, and go to whatever you saved it as. I put it as space because I just need my stuff for random things. And then make sure you put go to the first A layer and click delete. Then go to the second letter and drag it on top of this so then you can see it. And then I think I'm just gonna move wherever you want. I'm just gonna move it around right there. Once you got that done, I'm gonna put a little outline on mine. So right click on the A layer, go to layer styles, drop shadow, 100 opacity, about 5 distance, 5 size, black color, and then you want to go to outer glow, sorry. Oh shit, sorry, I was doing the wrong one. But do the same thing. And 5 size. Then go to outer glow, black, because I don't really like it white. Oh crap, go back. And 100 opacity, 10 hardness, and 20 or 17 size, whatever you want. I'm gonna put 13 for now. And you'll see you have a little outline now. Once you got that done, you can basically put blurs and stuff. And to do that, you're gonna want to come here to the drawing tool. Make sure that you're on the rectangle, not on the ellipse or the rounded rectangle. Just the rectangle tool. And click outside the box and just drag. Make sure that it's not too big. So then you'll see why. I'm just gonna do just about that much. Once you got that done, go to layer 3 and go to adjustment, hue and saturation. Put whatever color you want. And I'll just do this -18, 24, -8, I don't know. Whatever you want. Once you got that done, you can do the same thing with this one. Adjustment, hue and saturation, or brightness and contrast. Whatever you want. I'm not gonna do that. Layer 3. Then go to filter, then go on Gaussian blur. You'll see it has a really big blur right there, I guess. And oh right, sorry, I forgot to mention that make sure that you put the rectangles here, put it on this layer, not on this layer, otherwise you can see it. That's a mistake on my part, but yeah. Once you got that done, I mostly like 50, 52. Click OK, and then by the way, you have gradient tools, eraser tools, brush tool, pencil tool, paint bucket tool. You got all the stuff. Once you got all of that done, you can pretty much do anything you want now. Let me just do this. Do whatever you want. If you want to add a circle around it or something, around your letter maybe. I don't know. It is your logo, by the way, so do whatever you want. Once you got that done, go to File, Save, and put the title 100 quality. Obviously, why wouldn't you want 100 quality? And then, if I mostly put it as JPEG, but I'm gonna show you right now. Go here, Creator Studio, and Community. Channel and branding. I mostly put I put JPEG for my logo, and then I put PNG because it's transparent and full quality. I put PNG for this, for then you can still see the video, at least part of the video. Once you got that done, click on OK. I'm not gonna actually put it, so yeah. Then go to your channel and go to the logo, the picture icon right there. Click on it, click edit. Then come to upload photo. By the way, it's gonna show you, go to About Me or Google Plus or whatever. Don't worry about it. Go to your logo, choose just a crop if you want or whatever. You just do whatever you want, click on done. And it's almost the same, that's about the same process with the banner. I'm just gonna show you right now. Let's just say you want this one, put it, but I like this one. So yeah guys, I think that's pretty much the end of this video. If you did like this video, make sure to smash that like button and share with your friends that they have their YouTube channel and they want to learn how to do this. Go to my social media, follow me, yeah, do all that stuff. I think I'm mostly active on Twitter. I'm going to be starting to be more active on Twitter. So yeah, go there. And yeah, just do that stuff. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.